You may have noticed a new button in the global navigation bar in Canvas. Canvas Studio is an online video platform that allows you and your students to create, edit, and publish videos to the Canvas classroom. To get started in Studio, click the Studio button in the global navigation bar. The first time you go into Studio, you won't see anything yet because you haven't created any videos. If you already have a recorded video stored locally on your computer or on YouTube, you can add them to your studio space. Click the Add Videos button. For a video you have stored on your computer, click the Browse Files button. Navigate to the file in the file folder. Click the file and then click the Open button. For a YouTube video, go to YouTube, copy the link to the video, paste the link in the URL box, and click the Add button. To add Studio to your Canvas classroom so you can record videos, go to Settings, Navigation, and then drag the Studio link up to the course navigation display area. This will add Studio to your navigation bar. Make sure to click the Save button at the bottom. Now you can click the Studio link in the course navigation. From here, you can also add videos you have already created or link to YouTube videos. You can also record videos as well. Click the Record button. You can see that you can record from a webcam or you can do a screen capture. To do a video with a screen capture, click Screen Capture from the drop-down list. You will get a pop-up window that asks you to download the screen capture application. Once it's been downloaded, you can click on it and install it. The next time you click the Record button and select Screen Capture, you will get a new drop-down box that asks you to open the Screen Recorder Launcher version 2.0. Click the button. Once the software has downloaded and installed, it will bring up your window. You can size the box by dragging the corners. You can change your screen, you can change and open up your webcam. You can actually shoot both at the same time. Down here in the bottom, if I'm ready to record, I can click the Record button. You can see you get a countdown, and then your screen is now recording. Once you are done with the recording, click the Pause button, and then click Done. Once you have finished recording, the next window you will get is the editing window. If you wish to edit the video, you can click the Edit button. From here, in the Tools list, if you click the drop-down arrow, you will see all of the different types of editing that you can do to your videos. I will have more training videos on these in the near future. Once you are done editing, make sure to click the Done button. Give the video a name. You can also add a description to the video, and then click the Upload button. You can see the video publishing. Once you get an upload successful, click Continue. Your recorded video is now added to your gallery. Studio videos can be added in your Canvas classroom wherever there is a rich text editor, such as in Pages, on assignments, and in quizzes. I'm going to use a discussion board as an example. I'm going to go into my discussion board assignment, click the Edit button. Now, I can add my discussion question here. I can add discussion instructions here. And when I'm ready to embed the video that I just created, I want to go up here to the Apps button in the toolbar, click the down arrow, select View All, and then select Studio. When the Studio window opens, you will see all of the icons for the different videos that you have stored. Click on the video that you wish to include, You can allow students to make comments on your video. You can also allow students to download the video. Once you've made your selections, click the Embed button. When you are done editing your page, make sure to save and publish. Your video is now available for viewing. Students can also record videos for assignment submissions in the exact same way that you record videos. For them to submit their videos as an assignment, you want to create an assignment. I'm going to use my test assignment here. Add all of the information you normally would for any assignment. Once you're done with that, go down to the submission type and select text entry. Save and publish your assignment once you have made all of your settings. When the student is ready to submit the assignment, they should make sure the submission type says text entry. Click the Edit button. They can then click the App button and select Studio from the drop-down list. Since I'm in Student View, I have no video displaying, but when your student went into Studio and recorded their video would display here. They can then select that video and embed it into the assignment. Students can also directly record videos from this page. They can select the Record button and do a screen capture or a webcam capture and record and submit at the exact same time. More detailed training on studio tools will be coming in the near future.